Oh my god. This guy's a robot. Hey guys, this is Kyokyo back to watch some Chainsaw Man. Episode 10. We have a new special unit with all of the, well, the rest of the fiends we have, as well as, I guess we don't have Kobeni. She says she's going to resign as soon as she sees Makima. But you know, we got Aki. Power ran off. I guess we're gonna have to find Power. And look about the whole demon, gun demon after Denji's heart. Isn't Pochta his heart? So is the gun devil actually against trying to get Pochta, in a sense, you know? Because we do know that Pochta has replaced Denji's heart, right? That was the whole thing. I'm assuming because in the first episode, you know, he was coughing up blood and he mentioned that his mom had a condition. And then just coincidentally, you know, Pochta replaces that heart. So I don't know. It has to. I feel like it has to do something with Pochta, but I guess we're just gonna have to get right into it and get some answers. So let's get into it. There's Power. How did she just notice the apple? Yeah.
4か誰が生き残ってる小紅ってチビとメガネの男も生き残ったみたいだけど公安辞めたんだと俺とパワコはマキマさんに呼ばれてるから帰るぜ。
パウイ。
見舞いの果物を食いに来ただけじゃ。
リンゴ、一個だけ残しといてやるよ。じゃあな。
Poor Aki. Like, he has nobody to really console to, except for, I guess, Makima, if anyone. But
カス、俺はあと何年生きれる
2 years? Holy fuck. I wonder how long he's had the sword.
まあそりゃ泣くよな。大勢仕事仲間が死んだらしいし、バディの姫野も死んだわけだしな。俺は全然泣けねえんだけど。ポチタが死んだ時は悲しかったな。でも姫野死んでも初めて友達になろうっつってくれた人なのに俺ひどくね。パワーが死んだら泣けるか。泣けねえかな。あいつが死んだら泣けねえな。マキマさんが死んだら多分俺はしばらくへこむけど3日後には楽しく毎日を過ごせてると思うな。だって朝昼晩食って寝て風呂入れりゃ俺最高だもん。心臓だけじゃなく 人の心までなくなっちまったのか。
I was just talking about that.
まあシリアスなことは考えなくていいか。楽しくねえこと考えても楽しくねえだけだからな。さっさとマキマさんに会いに行こう。
憂鬱じゃ。失礼します。
So these guys are here for training, like to train.
泣いてた。
一回うちら出てく。
なんだお前ら。
私たちマキマさんに頼まれて
Coach.
京都から得意4課を指導に来ました。
そのリンゴ食べていいですか。
Bro.
指導。
君たちを指導するのは彼だよ。
Oh, this is the guy from the opening. Right?
彼の名前は
That's just what the grab pen. It is.
仲間が死んでどう思った？
別に
死んだと思った。
敵に復讐したいか？
Screws loose.
復讐とか
I guess he's
嫌いだね。
checking.
わしも
お前たちは人と悪魔どっちの味方だ？
俺を面倒見てくれる方。
飼ってる方。
お前たち100点だ。
あ、じゃああとはよろしく。
マキマさん。
俺は得意一家でデビルハンターをやってる。先生と呼ばれると気持ちよくなれるから先生と呼んでくれ。好きなのは酒と女と悪魔を殺すことだ。
は
This guy's sick.
血を飲めば復活するとこだな。お前の心臓がなぜか知らんが10の悪魔に狙われている。なのにお前が簡単にやられる雑魚だから困ってんだろうな。俺は最強のデビルハンターだ。最強の俺を倒せる悪魔は最強なわけだから、お前たちが俺を倒せるようになるまで俺はお前たちを狩り続ける。
What?
こいつ頭が終わっておる。
Okay.
も
天智。
What's your name, though? I need to know. Oh, I was like, how the hell did he slice him? Oh! He's quick. Yep.
男の方は不死身。
Whoa. 3 to the body.
とっさに人の頭をぶん殴れる脳みそを持っていて、二人に人権はない。
コン。ほら出てけえへんやろ。君は狐を無茶に使って嫌われた。もう二度と狐は使わせてもらえへんやろうね。
What?
その刀も呪いの悪魔のやつやろ。それもあとどれくらい使えんの。
指導ってのはそういうことか。
お察しが良くて助かる。続けるなら続けるで、それなりの覚悟を君にはしてもらう。
覚悟。
そう、覚悟。
やめへんならもっと強い悪魔と契約して得意化に貢献してもらわなあかんみたいです。
公安やめて残りの人生楽しむか、公安続けて地獄を見るか。
家族を殺したやつもバディを殺したやつもまだ生きてる。 なのになんで辞めれるんですか？
Why would he even
So this
take
guy-
up the cursed devil if he
わかりました。
wasn't like all for it?
じゃあ今日はもう遅いんで帰りますわ。明日また来て書類とか持ってきます。キョートン先輩の言葉はほんまでしたわ。得意科にはまともなやつはいい品から気をつけろってね。
Who the fuck are you? Maybe a relative to Himeno?
明日家に迎えに行くからな。
Oh man.
俺は今日何回殺された？
20回以上じゃん。ウネが死んだ時だいたいわしも気絶しとるから正確にはわからん。
Oh my goodness.
一緒に逃げるか？
逃げたら公安から逃げたことになって。今度こそ本当に俺たちは悪魔扱いじゃねえ。
Right, if they run away, they're gonna actually be hunted.
あいつは超強いが。じゃが酒で頭がダメになっておれ。わしらは頭を使って戦えばいいんじゃ。
なるほどな。
How would you do that? He just goes for the kill, though. I don't even think he thinks.
あいつらの家は確か。
この血の匂いは来たな、アルチュージジ。
俺たちの日常を壊すやつは死だ。
超インテリ作戦開始じゃ。
Oh my god!
おお、忍ぶ気か。頭狙ってきやがった。待ち伏せしやがって。今度は俺が。
Oh, this guy is scary. Spikes. Oh my goodness. This guy's a robot. Oh my goodness. Bro, right in the jaw?
今までで一番良かったぞ。追い詰められた獲物。
I want to know who gave him this scar.
もっと頭を使え。今回は良かったからもう終わりだ。俺は飲みに行く。
That's it?
パーカー。もう終わりだって。
Yeah, she's done. Look at her. Oh my god. He didn't even see it coming either. He let his guard down.
獣が狩人の言葉を信用する。
Oh, they're not done! Oh man, that guy is a beast. And we still didn't get his name. The hell is this dingy ass place?
ここには公安が生け捕りにした悪魔たちが無事
Oh, we're making a contract with one of these? It's pretty quiet.
関係ないっすけど、昨日の美人、彼女さんですか？
バディの。
Ah, shit.
あらら。じゃあ殴られました？
いえ。手紙をもらいました。
Father. Takuaraki. Yeah.
この部屋にいる悪魔とアキ君は契約してもらいます。
We're just gonna tell
イル
him
ンは
to...
未来の
It's
悪
the
魔
future devil.
公安でこいつと契約している人は2人
Two people have contracts.
1人は寿命半分もう1人は両目と味覚嗅覚を差し出しています
Whoa.
気に入られれば安く済みますよ
Well, Aki can't take his life away anymore.
じゃあどうぞ
So what does he have to offer? What? Oh my god. That was thanks. So we have Aki making another pact with a demon devil. So it's the future devil. Interesting. Two other people already have this contract with this devil. So my only big thing is what is Aki going to give this devil for his power? One took years off their life, which Aki only has a couple years, and then the other one gave the devil their eyesight, sense of taste and smell. Maybe Aki will do that, like maybe sense of taste, smell, something else. I feel like that's maybe the only option he could do. We have Power and Denji in for freaking World of Pain with this other guy, this teacher. We didn't get his name, but we just know that he's a damn badass. I can't wait to see more of that. Those two are definitely gonna get worked on. Thank goodness, they kind of need it, you know? It's funny seeing them get their ass kicked, but they're literally being killed. Makima's on her own right now. She says she has a lot to do. So maybe we'll catch up to see what she's doing. I'm excited. I'm excited to see what the hell else we're gonna be, experiencing. And we did get to actually talk about the heart a little bit. The teacher did say, there is something special about Denji's heart that the Gundam does want it. Denji, did hear Aki crying and was like, what's wrong with me? I guess I didn't lose just my heart. I lost some human parts of me. These emotions that we feel, losing comrades and whatnot. I think it's like a good trade-off for Denji. He would be dead if Pochita didn't do what he did. But I'm still thinking, this is way bigger than what Denji thinks. Pochita was possibly like a really important figure. I don't know. Pochita just seems like a really important key right now. Hence the devil wanting Denji's heart. So, I don't know. Maybe prior to Denji meeting Pochita, Pochita had something big. Pochita was part of something big, most likely, maybe, because we still don't know how we get that gunshot. Oh, was that a gunshot that Pochita had at the first? Was the gun devil after Pochita? Then? You know what? I could be onto something. Can I go back? I'm actually gonna go back to episode 1, and I just want to see if Denji mentions if it was a gunshot or not. It does look like a gunshot wound. It was like a few of them, a couple. 1, 2. There's 2 gunshot wounds, it looks like. I don't know, man. I could be onto something. If I'm not, I'm gonna be so sad. But I'm just gonna leave it right there. I am so excited to watch some more. So for now, that was Chainsaw Man episode 10. Don't forget to love and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And I can't wait to see you on the next one. Ciao.